Hi, Paul here, and I am going to just go ahead and do a quick review for computer repair in Edison, and in particular I'm referring to PC Rescue, who provides computer repair for residents in Edison, New Jersey and the surrounding neighborhoods. Okay, so let's hop onto my computer, and before you go ahead and call them, I want to show you why I'm recommending them. Okay, so let me hop on over to my computer now and show you what I'm talking about. Do a search for computer repair in Edison, New Jersey. The guys who I recommend is PC Rescue, and as you can see from the website here, they provide all the major computer repair services: virus removal, network data recovery, screen repair, home services, business services, as well as more advanced services for seniors with computer repair help. Some of the services that they provide: on-site services, computer blue screen, bootable errors, Windows error messages, registry errors, all that, right? The area that they service everywhere in Middlesex County, Union County, Monmouth County, Somerset County, Warren County, Essex County, and Morris County in New Jersey. That's basically the entire central New Jersey area. Okay, and as you can see, the phone number is listed on the screen: 732-910-7140. Pardon me. But before you call, let's continue and show you what I'm talking about. Alright, they offer residential computer help, where they provide on-site service, stuff like network, malware, systems setup, tune-up, diagnostic, backup, recovery, network, remote desktop, all the works. Okay, and for small businesses, it's pretty much the same thing: software installation, hardware, backup solution, file sharing, network, printer setup. Some of the frequently asked questions: so why choose PC Rescue for computer repair in Edison? Well, they're experts in the industry, and they've been providing services to customers in central New Jersey for over 13 years, since 2005. And as you can see, one of the reasons that I strongly recommend them is they offer a 30-day guarantee for their services. And what areas they service, we already covered that. How much do they charge? Well, they're pretty affordable. Okay, and so you just call them and get a estimate over the phone, and if you need them to come out to your home or business, they'll be more than happy to do that. If your computer is running slow, they can help with that, because basically they just perform basic computer tune-up. Usually that gets you going. Before you call them, or when you call them, be sure to mention that you saw this video on YouTube, and mention my name, Paul, and they'll take real good care of you. If you want to ask for somebody in particular, you could go ahead and ask for Dan and let him know that you were sent over to him by Paul, courtesy of this video. Alright, so there you go, my review for PC Rescue, computer repair Edison. And if you're looking for the best computer repair in Edison, then I am recommending that you call them today.